John Strohmeyer here with Strohmeyer Law. Today we're going to be going through some of the common questions we get from potential clients about estate planning, probate, and tax law. So perhaps you've been told that having an irrevocable trust is a good part of your estate plan. Is that actually true? The answer is it's going to depend on your circumstances and what actually needs to happen. Now, there are two times we set up irrevocable trusts. We can set up an irrevocable trust while you're still alive, known as an inter vivos trust, or we can set it up after you have passed, being a testamentary trust. Now, typically, we're going to set up testamentary irrevocable trusts for the benefit of our beneficiaries. Why? We don't need the trust now. We're looking to have that trust set up later on for somebody who doesn't necessarily need the assets right now. We're not going to worry about having to file a gift tax return. The estate tax return, maybe we need it, maybe we don't. But really, a testamentary irrevocable trust is there to own assets, typically for young children who need somebody else to own those assets for them. Now, the other time that people think about an irrevocable trust is a lifetime or an inter vivos irrevocable trust. We just don't set up as many of them because most people don't need it. It's overkill for estate and gift tax planning reasons for most people. Doesn't mean it never makes sense. It doesn't mean things don't line up and we need to set these up. It does mean it's going to be a more expensive thing because we're setting up something now. We're going to have to file a gift tax return to report it. There's going to have to be a trustee who owns and manages assets. Irrevocable trusts were set up a lot more in the past. And I will frequently get clients who say, well, my grandparents had a life insurance trust. I need one of those too. Probably not. For most of us, having life insurance inside of an irrevocable trust while you're still alive, it's just more planning than most people need. Doesn't mean you don't need it sometime in the future. With the estate tax exemption coming down in 2026, we may change our minds on that. But for the vast majority of people, setting up an irrevocable trust now to own assets generally is going to be more than they actually need.
Thanks so much for watching. If you've got other questions about this, go ahead and leave a question in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.